In this video, we're going to talk about what an StF fault code is on the ATS22 soft start. So first of all, ATS22 StF fault code means that the soft start has detected a too long of a start time. Okay? What that may mean to you is that, well, there's really two parameters you got to take a look at, and they're both under set menu. So escape back down to set, enter. The first parameter is TLS. Okay, this is the max start time in seconds, by the way. And the next parameter, when you escape out and go down to ACC, this is your ramp up time. So normally, if not always, you want the TLS parameter to be higher than your acceleration time, because if you don't, then you get an StF fault saying that you have exceeded the time it takes to ramp up your motor. Now, in some cases, even though you have a max start time, which again is the TLS parameter, is let's say 20 seconds, and you have a acceleration time of 15. In some cases, it will still fault even though the TLS is higher than your acceleration time, because the soft start is going to try to follow the actual ramp up time, that's for sure. But if the load is having a hard time, if the current draw is very high, if there is mechanical or application problems, if the current draw is again very high, then the soft start will take longer than the ramp up time programmed if it has to. Just because it cannot just let the motor pull as much current as it wants. It's limited by the current limitation, which is the ILT parameter. So, having said that, sometimes you may have to increase the TLS to, let's say, like 25 and have the acceleration be 15 still. Have a little bit of a gap there besides having a 5 seconds time frame. If you don't feel comfortable with that, if you don't know why it's taking that long to ramp up, then check your amp draw, check the voltage coming in. Then all that information can be confirmed by getting a current clamp and measuring with a meter if you have one. But regardless, so that's the reason why you're getting a fault is the TLS parameter, which is again the max ramp up time allowed in seconds, and the parameter ACC is the actual ramp up time you're programmed to follow. So that's the reason why you're getting an StF, and that's what I would do to confirm your particular issue on the soft start.